Hi there, lovely people. This is the real Mart of Kemet. So today I'm in the nature, doing some grounding, doing some healing. But I'll be showing you some herbs which our ancestors were using, and also I'll be showing you how the pears tree, how they look like. This is the season. This is the month of April. This is the time they are ready, and this is the time to take advantage of the season. Um, Pears are very rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is very essential mineral in our body, and also they do help the intestine to clear up that fecal matter that has been there for a very long time, because they act as a laxative. So this is the time you should be enjoying. So buckle up, let's go. So the herb that is in front of me, um, I don't know the name in Kikuyu or Gikuyu, but this is what when I come here, I normally come and pluck some branches. They're very good for teeth, for brushing the teeth. If there is no toothpaste at the moment, this is what you can use. And also it's very good with the teeth which are very sensitive. Like if you have that sensitive teeth that has been bothering you for a very long time, you have gone to the hospital and there is no help, this is the herb you should be coming to look. It's very available. Let me get closer capture. So that is it. This is what you should be getting, the twigs. So very good for the teeth during at this moment. So this is another herb. This is the wild oregano, what we call in Gikuyu maigoya. And this is a herb that is um, very good also. There was a time that I was sick in my eyes, and when I consulted a herbalist, he gave me this wild oregano, and he told me to soak it in the water in the first thing in the morning to wash my eyes with. So you can see the power of nature also. So research more about the herbs, what I'm showing you here, because these are nature is the medicine. It do heals us because we are very much connected with the trees and plants that are surrounding us. So this is the pear trees. As you can see, there are so many around, like that one also. But this time they did not fare well, because as you can see, there is no reef, plenty of reef. They need plenty of reef in order to draw the moisture from the atmosphere. But this time I don't know what happened, that the reefs did not sprout very well. So that is the way you can see they are not very large. They are very usually large whenever they have that plenty of reefs around. So I don't know what happened. So you can see the trees, they are standing, and the nature looks awesome, beautiful. Everything is silent here, only the birds singing and enjoy. Small insects, grasshoppers are there. so refreshing. So this is another one. This, as you can see, it has small fruits. This is a plant from Sodom apple. They are very good for skin tags. So whenever they are ripe, this is what you come from. You can pack one. They have that juice, and then you can rub it in the skin tags, and the skin tags falls by themselves without needing the surgery. So that is another wonderful herb there. So these are the wild grapes. This is what we used we used to eat when we were little kids. So I don't know the benefits of them, but they were edible. They are very sweet also to eat. When we came to collect the firewood, this is what we were looking for. So I miss my childhood so much because there was so much we enjoyed from the nature. Mother Nature is so refreshing. We can never get enough from Mother Nature. And also she's a healing therapy, particularly at this time when there is a lot of fear mongering. It's very good when you have that space. Come and connect with the nature. Move away from all the noises in towns. Sit somewhere in the grass and enjoy. Breathe in that air. That is your chi. That is wild strawberries. As you can see, there is some here also. And also there is this one. This is what we also use to enjoy whenever we came from the nature. Can't recall the English name, but we know, okay, the fruit itself is very nutritious. It does have that healing energy also, healing properties in it. And also for this one, for the ribs, whenever you have tonsils, you can rub in the Suren grass, and also you can drink that, or the content from it is very rich. This is what I saw my grandmother using whenever she was cooking that soup, and we are still using it up to date. That is the ripe Sodom apple, the one I was telling you that it's very good for the skin tags. So this is the time you can, when you have those stubborn skin tags, this is what you use. The juice from that small fruit, very good at it. Remember, when you are in nature, walk barefoot. It's very important in order to have that connection with Mother Earth. This is how she heals us. So when you come, remember to release your feet and enjoy all the things that are there. Stepping in the grass also, it's very healing also. And also listen to what the Mother Earth has to tell you. So yeah. So that is it. Remember to enjoy the benefits of pears, very rich in vitamin C. So, and also remember to come to go out in the nature, enjoy the nature, take a walk. 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes is more than enough. It's bring a lot of sanity in your mind, body, and everything that you have. So have a lovely Sunday.